You may be looking at Collect.js and Collect Checkout and wonder which one is right for your integration. Both allow you to collect your customers' sensitive payment information in a tokenized form and run transactions with that data. The short answer is that Collect.js allows you to control the entire user experience. You have full control over the look and feel, as well as the user journey through your web app. Collect.js lets you collect the payment information in an encrypted payment token, and then use that token with the Direct Post API to process a sale, create a recurring subscription, or save the customer in our customer vault for later. Collect Checkout aims to take a lot of that work off your shoulders. You just tell Collect Checkout what you want to sell, and it handles laying out the checkout page as well as all the payment processing logic. The compromise here is that this simplicity requires letting go of some control over the look and feel and user flow. We think Collect Checkout delivers a great checkout experience, but if you want something else, Collect.js is there for you.